Park steward. So we're all the same, we're all volunteers, and it's so awesome that we're all here and doing what we're doing because we're all volunteers. What's your name?
And I pretty much live nearby.
Bring Kirkland partnership, so it turns out in the city of Kirkland, we're really glad to be. Planning them is super easy. Anyone can do it. Here are the roots, but it's hard not to. But you just kind of go like this on the dirt that I put in. So sometimes it's in clumps here. You don't want to use any of the nursery dirt. You just take this and kind of spread it out. So then you kind of press it in, just using your hands. So about 3 years ago, they delivered 3 of these blue cisterns.
Okay.
You guys watch the movie Kirkland. Oh.
For real, and big girl. No. Sorry, but Daisy likes to bite sometimes. I don't want to get dirt all over yourself. You like it under the
Cool, how's it going? Get things to loosen up a little bit, but you can see it's pretty much a ball.
Okay. It's there, like really hard. Like it's exactly.
I'm excited.
There we go.
The sad little ash tree.
How did you do it so fast last time?
I think I did like that much.
Hello, Addison and Lorelai. How you doing? Nice to meet you. Doing good. I'm Christopher.
I'm John. This is my first time here.
Yeah, so
No, it's all right. We got fun names in our family too. So
Yeah. So let's go back through the names real fast, just so everyone is ready.
you say that they were down there.
You're like, okay.
Oh, I am. Yeah. Okay, cool.
yeah, we're gonna catch up. We took them. Everyone is signed in, correct?
Oh, okay. That's right. I think you did something. And it's already down.
We could not do it without the people like you. I'm super excited that you're here today. Please go ahead and take a couple with your, I'm just going to give you all, why not give you a little safety demo with you guys. Everybody watch. Are you ready? Yes.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Alright, so when I looked at the plot, it looked like the plot was about the right size to sure that the tree's roots are all able to go down and they aren't stuck like, you know.
Oh.
Okay, let's do that. Yeah.
Taking our sticks, I'm like, no, these are the only sticks. He's like, oh, we took them all?
How it's going green through all the clumps. I'm gonna put you 6 inches deep.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I think that's the problem. It's just not compact enough. Running all over our neighborhood, they come in and they're like, sweet, tasty treat, and they just bite them off. Start with the shorter tubes and we'll place them later. On the side, you want to punch out all those tabs before you start. You're going to wrap this around your little treat of the needles going up. So we're going to kind of fold it around, and like I said, this is kind of fussy and annoying, and it will try to pop open on you a few times, and you'll be like, argh! So the city funds the staff and the paid cleaning and all that kind of stuff. And then a big chunk of this kind of work is done by volunteers, pointing and then going into the tube. Yeah, like that.
I'll kill you if you touch the soil.
It will.
They're bad. The reason we haven't taken these out is because, what's that? It's super hard, it's dangerous to take out, and bank erosion.
Yeah, I was worried about these two.
Create a big problem. Fun fact, these little flags here, I'm sure you're all familiar, will tell you what kind of plant you're planting. And then you want to settle this down on top of it, so the roots just kind of droop over the top of that.
Do you think there's more shovels up there still?
Yes.
Oh, I went down my wildest dreams. Yeah.
Wow.
There we go. Oh, I'm not on the end of my end.
I don't like it. Pretending like you're busy.
Yeah. Well, now you're pretending like you're busy. Barbed wire.
Oh boy.
And of course it's all rusted, so you don't see it.
What?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a lot to ask in this night.
Oh, it's slightly dangerous.
For this night overall. Okay. Yeah.
Get rid of a bit of it. You'll be thirsty.
What's it hard to take?
No. You have to You have to do a cone.
This is like a concrete stump. I'm gonna
put you 6 inches deep.